Hi, I'm Jude, a product designer. I'm really excited about Sonny's Talk-to-Figma MCP. It's an amazing tool that's changing how we work with Figma. I'm grateful for his work, and today I'm demonstrating new tools and prompts I've contributed through my recent pull request. Inspired by plugins like Google Sheets Sync, I wanted to create a different approach to filling designs with real or dummy data using MCP's capabilities. Let me show you how this works. I have this sample markdown file with animal data that we'll use to transform this user management table. First, let's see what we're working with. Talk-to-Figma is scanning the frame to understand its structure. Cool. Now we know where all the text nodes are. Let's start with the table headers, changing them to match our animal database columns. And now for the content. I'll replace these 5 rows with our animal data. See how it keeps all the styling and layout intact? Oh wait, we forgot something. The filter section still shows the old user management text. Let me fix that. Search animals, category for the drop-down, and update these action buttons. Much better. Let's verify everything by exporting an image. Perfect. The whole interface is now consistently themed around our animal database. This current version already opens up some interesting possibilities for working with structured data in Figma. This is just the beginning. I'm excited to see how we can push this further.